Hello, everybody. It's time to find and exploit a vulnerability in our little virtual cybersecurity lab. In earlier videos, I went through how to set up Metasploitable and Kali Linux. For these to work together in your virtual cybersecurity lab, they must both be on the same user-created NAT network. So if you right-click on your Linux, we want to be connected to our ethical hacking NAT network. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Network Manager, NAT Networks, our ethical hacking network. I've chosen to put it at 10.10.1.0/24. I've enabled DHCP so both of these guys can get IP addresses. Metasploitable is set up in the same way. Well, I'm logged into my Kali machine. Next up, here's my Metasploitable. I'm supposed to be my Metasploitable. There we go. MSFADMIN. I've discovered that when typing in Metasploitable, you have to be careful not to hold down the key at all. Also, once you clicked into Metasploitable, to get out, you would use your right control key to pop out of the window. Otherwise, it can seem like your mouse is never going to come up. The host key is right here. We want to run IPA to find out our IP address, which is 10.10.1.7. That's what I'm going to scan when I get back to Kali Linux. Right control, bring up the terminal prompt. I have an nmap scan. Set up to redirect the scan to nmap scan and not redirect it to the console. So go ahead and run that. You won't see anything happening since our standard output is being redirected to our file. It may take a moment. The scan is complete. Let's do less nmap scan. Wow, look at all that stuff that it discovered, and it's in a text file so that we can peruse it at our leisure. Well, what we're looking for is, port 21. There it is, port 21, TCP IP, right there. It's an open port. That means it's ready to receive things. It's not showing the FTP daemon yet, but let's go a little further. There's our port response. Let's see here. FTP server, some point it should say what it is. There it is. It's VSFTPD, that particular version. We're going to do a web search on that. I did a search on the VSFTPD, which is the name of the FTP server daemon. It's 2.3.4, and I'm looking for an exploit, and Rapid7 came right up with a problem. And this goes through and introduces what it is. It's a pretty old exploit. This shows us how to do things with our Metasploitable. So let's go ahead and do bad things with our Metasploitable. Type Q to exit the less command. Then we do MSF console, Metasploitable console. Let's take a minute to run up and do all its stuff. It's starting, doing its thing. Standard FTP all by itself is very vulnerable. It's not encrypted. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. It's used a lot to upload and download files over the internet. It's not as popular as it used to be because it is, again, unencrypted. So we have gone to secure FTP, other methods of encrypting. Well, let's see if we can launch this backdoor. Okay, so no payload configured. We're at the point where we need to put in our rhost. So we do rhost, and we need equal sign greater than. We're going to set it to the IP address that we got earlier. 10.10.1. Let's see. What was it? 7. Whoops, I missed one of my own instructions. Show options. Now we can set things. I'm going to cursor up to bring our host back in again. Oh my. Oh, I forgot set. Sorry, can't read my own directions. There we go. Set our host. It is. If we show options again. There. There's where we're going to attack. When we're ready to attack, of course, we do exploit. Oop, it's doing things. Let's see if we can get in there. Found shell. Going in as root. And there's our command shell opened. Ooh, we just hacked in. We have full root access, which is the holy grail of hacking. That means we can do whatever we want. We can get whatever we want. There's all our files. Well, that was a successful hack of a almost 15-year-old vulnerability. However, the principle is the same. This is, again, a proof of concept showing how hackers might go through, find vulnerabilities, and exploit them. And Metasploit has lots of good ones in there. We'll see you later with more hacking adventures.